some windows. Whoop. Hey, it's B. That's me. And today we're talking about subtracting two-digit numbers. And I know this is a big deal for first grade, right? It really is. And I'm proud of you guys for trying it. When you come back, I'll see how well we do with it, okay? Anyways, here are my actions. Subtractions when we start with a number and we take some away. Subtraction is when we start with a number and we take some away. Now, we've been working on this idea of really subtracting two digits, right? And no, that's not what I wanted. No, that's not what I wanted. Is this it? There we go. We're using this page here to do our subtraction. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a couple of problems from this page and do them with you so you understand my thought process. So we're going to start with this one here. Let's do 13 minus 3. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one. 13 minus 3. Okay? So if I have 13 minus 3 equals, and in order to do this problem, I'm going to want to stack it up and down. Sometimes you'll see them written across, but you're going to stack them up and down to figure out how to solve the problem or to find the difference. We're finding a difference today, right? We're finding the answer to a subtraction problem is a difference. So we always, when we write a subtraction problem, we talked about this last week, the number that's first is the number you start with. Remember, you start with a number and you take some away. This is the number we're starting with. When we write it up and down, that number goes on top. Now, I'm going to use place value to figure out exactly how to put this together. So remember, when we do place value, we have ones, tens, and hundreds. When we do place value, we have ones, tens, and hundreds. So when I look at this number, I have ones and tens. Okay? Now, I'm taking away 3, aren't I? I'm taking away 3. Is that 3 ones? Is that 3 tens? Is that 3 hundreds? That's 3 ones, isn't it? So that's got to go underneath my ones column. Right underneath the other 1. Right? And I can draw a line here, come on, to separate my ones and tens. Now I can draw my pictures, right? I started with 3, right? And I'm going to take away 3. How many are left? None. 0. Now over in my tens column, I have 1, but there's nothing here. I'm taking away none. So I just 1 minus 0 is 1. The difference of 13 and 3 is 10, or the answer to 13 minus 3 is 10. Okay? Let's try another one. I know you guys can get this. I know you can do this. Even though this may be stretching our understanding a little bit, I know you can do this. I know you can. So I'm not really nervous about it. Let's try this one. Let's try 88 minus 43. 88 minus 43. I'm going to find the difference of 88 and 43. Or the answer to the subtraction problem, 88 minus 43. Now, remember when we write a problem this way, the number we start with is first. The number we start with is first. And when we write it up and down, the number we start with goes on top. It has to, guys. If it doesn't, you're going to get messed up. Now, I'm going to use my place value to figure out how to line this problem up, because I've got to line the ones up with the ones and the tens up with the tens. When I look at 88, I've got to figure out where my ones and tens are. Remember, when we talk about place value, we talk about ones, tens, and hundreds. So I look at 88, here's my ones, and here's my tens, right? Now when I look at the number 43, right? That's a bad 4, Mr. B. I've got ones and tens, so I put my ones right under this one, and my tens right under this tens, right? Now it's lined up correctly. Draw my line down the middle. Always start with your ones. Always start with your ones. I'm going to draw a picture. The number I started with is on top, and in my ones column I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many am I taking away? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 5. I put that right below my ones because that's the answer to my ones column. Now I move over to the tens, the top of the tens, and I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little dots. And I take away 4. 1, 1, come on, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left? 4. The difference of 88 and 43 is 45. The answer to 88 minus 43 is 45. That's what we're doing. I know you can get this. If you have questions, email me, call me, message me. I don't care. I am 100% available to you. All right? Everyone stay warm. Stay safe. Tomorrow's the last lesson before Christmas. I'll see you later. Bye.